Easy and simple. The best strategy I've seen is to use a grid bot to trade cryptocurrency. We'll optimize the settings to a nice sweet spot using a grid bot to get the most out of it and get the fastest results. In this video, I will be showing you how to take a $100 investment and turn it into $3,700. This will be a simple method to determine the right volume. Before we get started with this video, any trading you do is your own choice. Entries and exits are critical. All knowledge in this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. The best method of trading is one prepared for a downtrend. This way you can sleep at night well without worrying. You can use the same strategy in a bull market as well. For best performance, exchanges with high volume and many coins are the way to go. The best exchanges are KuCoin or Coinbase. However, if you don't like those or can't use those because of location restrictions, there are others as shown here. So please connect your exchange. Or if you will like to watch this video first and then set up later, you can do that too. You can also use a demo account as well, so you don't have to use your real funds. There are many trading bots. However, there is only one that does it the best. It's called a grid bot. Pick custom to get the most settings to optimize the bot. Have your exchange picked that you will be trading and have your assets already in. Scrolling down, you can see the best performance coin already found for you for the exchange you picked. Click on any of the top 3. Do not pick any coins that are new. You can find out by checking the day chart to see when the coin started in the market. The more history, the better, as well as if it's going sideways or up. A slow trend up, recently, overall, is better, but recent will do as well. Press the continue button. Using 95% of your budget is okay. If you're trying to run 2 bots, then move it to 50%. For this example, I will use 95%. Keep the steps the same. Click the edit button on the high price. Then click on the arrows so it changes to percent sign. Put in 10 for 10%. Press confirm. Go to low price. Do the same but put 40 for 40%. Press backtest and make sure on the 3-day result it says something close to 1% or higher. 1% is the sweet spot. Close the window and add protection, stop loss, and confirm. Add one more protection, which is to take profit, and put it as 1%. Again, 1% is the sweet spot. If you can't add take profit, then just monitor the bot and look at the total profit. Press preview and then confirm. Congratulations, your bot is running. Change it to the 1-minute chart to slowly see it in action. Press auto as well. By viewing total P&L, you will know when the bot is at 1% profit. When at 1% or near it, close the bot by pressing here. Usually you sell at market price, but there are other options as well. If you were able to put the take profit setting, it will do it for you. And then rinse and repeat. Now you may be asking, how do I get to $3,700 from $100? For the math, you will need a daily compound interest calculator. A website like thecalculatorsite.com can do it for you. Put the principal amount to $100. Interest rate to 1% daily. 1 year. There are several times when the bot can do many 1% trades in one day. Doing so, it will take less than a year to get to $3,700. You can also add funds to the bot every week to speed up the process and make more. It is wise that once you're earning a good amount, risk management by moving your earnings to a different wallet outside of the exchange, and reinvest only 50% back into the bot. Create another bot, or use the funds to create a portfolio.